Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Economics Time newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Financial Minister Sitaraman to chief guest at April 21 ET Economics Time Awards. Next, Maruti's authority quizzes investment managers over fees. Next, Mumbai Apple Store zone no go area for 2022 competing brands. Next, Nexus Riyadh uh, plans rupees 4,000 crore IPO in May. Next, Brookfield investing $1 billion in Avada. Next, 15 more police officers from Arunachal to be trained in Mandarin. Next, BJP to announce first list of candidates for Karnataka polls today. Next, financials unlikely to lead Nifty rally. Next, Very VC go slow on startup deals, step up diligence. Next, end of ECB tax breaks a gift for Gujarat Fin Center. Next, tiger population at 3,167 in India, PM. Next, Badai Ho character actors turn leading lights in lights of Hindi cinema. Next, stitching a fast fashion story. Then I comes to page number 2 in pure politics section under that. PM Modi visits Delhi church on Easter. Next, hate speech case right wing activist arrested in Gujarat. Next, AICC rallies behind Gehlot has a pilot hits out at Congress CM. Next, second batch of 15 police officers from Arunachal to be trained in Mandarin. Next, Congress racks up past ban on China co to caution government stand on Adani Group. Next, will file defamation case against Rahul. Next, Shinde uses Ram temple visit to target political opponents. On page number 3 in pure politics section that Pawar's response on Adani issue stares opposition pot triggers whispers in Congress on electoral resonance. Next, BJP to announce first list of candidates for Karnataka today. Then I comes to page number 4 in pure politics section under that target roar turns louder in India. Next, India's target population at 3,167 PM. Next, no quick fix deals anymore. Next, fee at Bollywood level. Then I comes to page number 5 in brand and company section that the build up looks good for Indians reality. Next, Nexus REIT plans to float rupees 4,000 crore IPO in May. Next, customs duty recast may make telecom gear imports costlier. Next, sales of CNG driven cars set to pick up as price of fuel dips. Next, surge in viral infections pushes up pharma sales. Next, MediaTek uh, MediaTek plans to source chips locally once the ecosystem's ready. Top executive. Next, Adani Power begins supply to Bangladesh. Next, IPL opens with 40% fewer ads. Next, Cannon's Lions 23 to have 13 Indians of jury. On page number 6 in the subsum section that GOM may propose 18% GST for games of skill, 28% for chance. Next, Nest Secure drop camp to shut next year. Next, Geo Platforms bags rupees 350 crore deal to run NIC cloud service. Next, VC funds fashion e-commerce startup building an Indian shine. Next, YouTube Music gets real-time lyrics option. Next, SpaceX Starship is ready for launch. Musk. Next, WhatsApp adds new edit contact tool. Next, IT Union Flash LTI Mindtree latest rider for freshers. Next, jailbreaking AI chatbot Viva intricate prompts tech new pastime. On page number 8 in economy section that Goel in Italy, France next week to boost trade ties. Next G20 development banks panel may list priorities at September meet. Next MOS for IT calls for discussions. Next retail price based GST cess rate for pan masala tobacco. Next trade promotion by private sector. Next On page number 10 in edit page section of that, mega success on the microcredit fund. Next, RBI clever turn of pace. Next, the Delhi Pekik boat. Next, tune into millet sur mira tumhara. Next, unease of doing parliament business. Next, level headed indexation. Next, two debates NCF and language. Next, stitching it the Bangladesh way. Next, Bingor sorry Bing bore the new existing trendy look. On page number 11 in economic market in that a popular EM FX trade back with global rates peaking. Next, financials likely to lead Nifty rally. Next, mutual funds share in institutional equity assets touches new record. Next, gold investment could return 11% in 2023 but spread your purchases. On page number 12 in smart investing section that India bulls rope in oak tree to buy its loan. Next, FPI offload stocks worth rupees 37,631 crore last fiscal. Next, REC rises European 350M 5-year loan to diversify liabilities across currencies. Next, credit growth at 11-year high in FY23 outpaces deposits even as banks fully price in rate hikes. Next, EPE investors infuse rupees 730 crore into Arohan Financials. On page number 13 in economic panache section under that, meet the walkers talking bold steps for progress. Next, the private network that first got a whiff of a bank's demise. Next, Rajavat lifts a maiden world tour title at Orleans Masters. Next, a dream made a legendary movie list declutter his apartment. Next, five sign of depression. Next, rare Shakespeare folios are on sale for $10.5 million. Next, Rinku Singh's flurry of sixes powers KKR to miraculous win. Next, Tripathi Markande Shinde has a Hyderabad Open account. Next, Woods withdraws before completing third round of Masters. On page number 14 in round the world section that China simulates Taiwan strikes in second day of joint sword drills. Next, China pushes back at WHO criticism over delayed COVID data. Next, Sunak to meet Biden in Northern Ireland. That on page number 16 in that UAE emerges as alternative to rupee trade with Russia. Next, REC rises 350M loan to diversify liability. Next, Tamil Nadu to stick by online gaming ban, Justice Chandru. Next, Oak Tree to acquire India Bull loan. Next, Arohan Financial rises rupees 730 crore from private equity investors. Next, surge in flu COVID lift Indian pharma market growth to 11% in FY23. Next, government amends rules on custom duty levied charged on telecom gears imports. Next, media tech to source chief locally after ecosystem is ready. Next, Jio platform bag rupees 350 crore deal to manage NIC cloud services. Next, UAE emerges as alternative to rupee trade with Russia. Next, Tamil Nadu to stick by online gaming ban, Justice Chandru. Next, centralized trade body to sharpen export focus. Next, GOM for 18% GST on games of skill. Next, NARCL to set up acquisitions of distressed assets in FY24. Next, credit growth outpaces deposit growth in FY23. Next, Tesla to depend China footprint with a new factory. Next, share of mutual fund in institutional equity AUM at a 9-month high. Next, G20 MDB group may list priority areas at September meet. Next, Reliance forming a new champ for pushing Champa. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.